What's the meaning of Chief of Staff? Chief of Staff. Chief of Staff.
Chief of Staff. Chief of Staff. The term Chief of Staff typically refers to a top-level executive who is responsible for coordinating and organizing the operations of a complex organization or business. In many cases, the Chief of Staff serves as a senior advisor to the leader of the organization, helping to manage schedules, priorities, and strategic initiatives. The role may involve overseeing personnel management, budgeting and financial planning, communications, and other key functions. Overall, the Chief of Staff plays a critical role in ensuring that an organization operates efficiently and effectively, with a focus on achieving its goals and objectives.